Hello everyone, I am Rajkumar Singh Rathod. Welcome to Fly Rajputs Towards Infinity. And today I will solve 4 similar questions in this video. Okay, to solve a question, we need some required input to get the desired output. And the required input is provided in the question. But sometimes it is not very easy to get the required input in the same format we want from the question, because the question is sometimes twisted and complicated, and it may create some confusions. So my way of getting the required input from the question is I break the question in smaller parts, like draw a scale, okay, the one part of 1:50 showing meters and decimeters, okay, another part, and to measure up to 6 meters, so these are the area of our interest to get the required input. Draw a scale gives you idea that you will required to draw a plane scale of 1:50. 1:50 is the RF, showing meters and decimeters. You will need to show meters and decimeters in the scale, okay, and measure up to 6 meters. From this line we can get the length of the scale. So this is how we can divide the question into smaller parts. Read all these parts very carefully, get the data, okay, but sometimes we need to convert the data into the required form. So what I do, I grab the data from the question, and using basic unit conversions and formulas, I convert the given data from the question into the required format, and then put all this data into your method. The right method should be chosen and get your desired output. Okay, so let's start with the question. First question, and the first question is draw a scale of 1:50 showing meters and decimeters and to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, I have divided this question into smaller parts, like draw a scale of 1:50 showing meters and decimeters and to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, from this point we have get the RF. RF is 1:50, it is directly provided into the question. So RF is 1:1/50, yeah, showing meters and decimeters, okay, and to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, this is the maximum length we will need to measure into using that scale. Okay, from this line we can get the length of the scale, because the length of the scale is equals to RF multiplied by the maximum length to be measured. Okay, so we have RF 1/50 multiplied by maximum length to be measured, which is 6 meters, means 6 multiplied by 100. Why we are multiplying by 100? Because we will get the length of the scale in centimeters. So okay, the length of the scale is 12 centimeters. Now we have length of the scale and RF. We can draw the scale very easily. What you need to do, just draw a line of 12 centimeters. Okay, draw another line from the same point. Okay, let me do it clearly. Okay, okay, just take a point, draw a line of 12 centimeters. I am taking it roughly. Okay, draw another line from the same point. Okay, at a random angle. Okay, now divide this line into 6 equal parts, because we need to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Join that point from that point. Okay, draw parallel lines from each point. Okay, and do the same thing again with to show decimeters also. This line will this scale will show meters and this will show decimeters. So this is an idea how we can draw an scale, because drawing an scale is not so complicated if you have the required data. So let us jump to the next question. So the next question is, construct a scale of 1:60. Okay, so the RF is 1/60. To show meters and decimeters, again the same question, and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, long enough to measure up to 6 meters means it is the maximum length to be measured, which is multiplied by RF to get the length of the scale. Okay, and multiplied by 100 to convert it. The next question is, in a map of Bhopal, a distance of 36 kilometers between two locations is shown by a line of 45 centimeter long. Means they have provided the actual distance or actual size of object and the drawing size of an object, because a 36 kilometer distance of two locations is shown by 45 centimeter. Okay, 45 centimeter long line. Okay, so 36 kilometer is the drawing size and 45 kilometer is the 36 kilometer is the actual size of the object and 45 centimeter is the drawing size of the object. Okay, from these two data we can calculate the RF. Okay, let me complete the question. In a map of Bhopal, a distance of 36 kilometers between two locations is shown by a line of 45 centimeters. Calculate its RF. Okay, it is very easy to calculate the RF using these two data, and construct a plane scale to read kilometers and meters. Show a distance of 9.3 kilometer on it. Okay, they have not provided data maximum length to be measured. The maximum length to be measured is not provided in the question, but we can get an idea using the last line. Okay, they have told us to show a distance of 9.3 kilometers. So we can take or assume the maximum length to be measured. Okay, if they are asking us for showing the 9.3, so let 12 kilometers be the maximum length to be measured to make our calculations easy. Okay, so let's start with step 1. Step 1 is calculate RF. RF is drawing size divided by actual size. Okay, the drawing size is 45 centimeter and the actual size is 36 kilometer, but we have to take both in the same unit. To convert kilometer into meter, multiply it by 1000, and to convert meter into centimeter, again multiply by 100. So it will be 1/80,000. Okay, because if we cancel it by 12 for the 36, 12 9 45. Okay, like this we can get this data. Okay, you can also use calculator to solve. Okay, but it is very easy, and this is RF. Okay, and the next data we require is the length of the scale. Okay, and the length of the scale is RF multiplied by maximum length to be measured. We have RF 1/80,000 and maximum length to be measured is 12. We have taken it 12 kilometers, again multiplied by 1000, multiplied by 100 to convert into centimeters. Okay, so this will be 15 centimeter. Okay, so length of the scale is 15 centimeter. Now it is very easy to draw the scale. Take a line of 15 centimeter. Take a point firstly, then draw 15 centimeter long line. Okay, Again draw another line. Now you have to calculate 12 up to 12 meters. To divide this line into 12 parts, 12 equal parts, then join last intersection point to the end point of the line, draw parallel lines, okay, and do the same thing again what we had done earlier. Okay, so this is very easy and you already know how to draw, so I'm not wasting much time in this. Let's jump to the next question, which is very similar to this question. Okay, the next question is draw a plane scale to measure a maximum length of 10 kilometers. They have directly provided the maximum length to be measured as 10 kilometers. Okay, multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeter, we will multiply it by RF to get the length of the scale. Okay, and to read in kilometers and hectometers, mark on this a scale length of 3.6 kilometers. Okay, take RF equals to 1 by 80,000. They have directly provided the RF as 1 by 80,000. We do not need to calculate the RF in this question because they have already provided. So to calculate the length of the scale, put RF here and you will get the length of the scale is 1 by 80,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 100, and it will be 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the scale is 12.5 centimeter. Again do the same thing what we are doing in the previous questions. Okay, and if you like the video, please hit on the like button, share this video to all your colleagues. If you have any question or you want to ask any question, you can mail me or you can write in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.